you're not performing. Let's welcome today's guests, Becky and Indigo. Okay, so step number 1 in 10 simple ways to conform: lose all accessories. We can't see our faces behind those glasses. Step number 2, make sure you're up to date with all the latest technology. And step number 3, remove all fatty foods from your diet. And step number 4, put as much makeup on your face as possible. And step number 5, a tough clear on your faces. Step number 6, say ream as many times in a sentence as possible. And step number 7, have the intention of breaking your ankle with those 10-inch heels. And step number 8, sort their hair to make it over their top. Step number 9, remove those smiles from your faces. And step number 10, you are now ready to take as many photos of yourself in a 170-degree angle and upload them to Facebook. Let the transformation begin. Does not increase your happiness. For all terms and conditions, please visit www.howtoperform.co.uk. Tune in next week for something different.
Something different?